To Cody the car guys. So today we've got a 2007 Ford Fusion here and the passenger headlight is out. Now when you first look in here, you have the coolant tank right here, you have the ABS brake motor right here, and there's literally no room. And first thing you think is to unbolt the headlight, but you don't want to do that. There's actually a couple bolts further inside that you can't get to. So don't even go that direction. I'm going to show you. All you got to do is start the car, turn the wheel to the left, and come in from the back side. Now once you start the car and turn the wheel to the left side, you have a little cover that's right here. You got a Phillips head right here. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. It's still a tight fit in there. You want to do this when the coolant tank is cool, just in case you touch the hoses in there. But let's go ahead and get that out of there, and then I'll show you how to get it changed. Now once you remove the cover right there, you have access. You can actually see a little bit of the cover, that little round piece right there. So let's go ahead and get in there, pull that out, and get to the bulb. Alright, once you get the little black cover off, all you do is just pull it off. Now you're just going to reach in there and twist and turn. I usually like to go ahead and unplug the light first, and then I go ahead and twist the bulb out. So let's go ahead and get that done. Once you unplug it like that, just go ahead and reach in. Now you're going to twist down and pull out the bulb. Alright, so once you get the bulb out, you can see the burn mark in there, so you know you got a bad bulb. So what you don't want to do is touch the new bulb with your bare hands. The oil can actually pop the bulb. So this is your bulb right here. For your 07 Ford Fusions, that is your bulb part number right there, the H1155. So let's go ahead and get this one put in there, twist it in, get it all wrapped up. You can go ahead and put the plug on it and then put the light bulb in. It makes it just a tad easier. So let's go ahead and test the light out and make sure it's working. Then we'll go ahead and put the back cover on and then the inner fender well cover. Alright, so as you see, the light is on. Everything's working, so we're going to put the cover back on the back of the headlight, and then we'll go ahead and put the inner fender well cover back on. So as you can see, that's changed out your headlight on your Ford Fusion. I hope that helps you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Love 59 videos.